Okay, here we are. We're going to talk about the hydration for our thermal compost pile. So you see we've got our little bucket here with the watering spout. We can scoop this into our 55-gallon bucket. We also have a 5-gallon bucket in there. So we plan to fill both of these containers with water prior to the build to hydrate the pile, to soak and to hydrate if necessary. Probably don't need them both full, but we'll do that just to be on the safe side. Keeping an ambient temperature right here. So here we go. Here's our woods. This section right here is what we have collected off of this property and shred with our hands. This pile back here, for the most part, this row is from a local arborist. And we will be soaking these the morning of the build, getting out here somewhere between 5 and 8 a.m., checking on them every couple of hours. Don't want them to get over 60% saturated. This will be the only part of our pile that we'll be soaking. Here at the end, we have some shredded up cardboard, all black ink, stickers, labels removed, and here we have shredded eggshells. Neither one of these will I soak because I don't want them to get matted together. So that's that. Over here, we have a wagon and a wheelbarrow and empty buckets. So this bucket here is our bucket size. So cleaned, ready to go. We'll be collecting. We have some empty buckets here. We'll be collecting using this bucket as our measure size. The 12 buckets of fresh greens 1 to 3 days prior to the build. We also have half a bucket of spent coffee grounds that will go into it. So here you see we have pallet with screen, plenty of tarps for on the floor here. Hello, Diamond. And then here, we have actually a new wire cage coming in here that's a bit stronger than this. Then on this side, we have our high nitrogen. This is a 40% organically grain-fed chickens with a diet of peas, wheat, oats, barley, millet, sesame seed, and flaxseed. So we expect it to be high in nitrogen. It's been dried right on these wood chips in the coop, kept dry, brought here in these 5-gallon buckets. So we'll end up with 4 true buckets of high nitrogen and 6 that will add to our wood count. Here we have pitchfork and shovels. And we also have thermometers. And that's it for our hydration plan. Monitoring to make sure we keep it right at that 50%.